I don't know if I can cross to Ritsem today, so anyway, let's continue breakfast. We're going to leave Kutjaure, this hut, and then we're going to walk to this wind shelter here. I'm gonna have a snack and then keep going all the way to Vájsáluokta, where I'm expecting to catch a ferry that should take me to Ritsem on the other side of the lake. There I will take my resupplying box with food and I will charge my camera batteries. I'm at this emergency shelter on the way from the previous hut to the next one. Man, this is fantastic here. I love it. And I have to say, I'm impressed by the time I made to this shelter. So 1 hour 45 minutes from the hut while filming and recording some sounds. Can you believe it? I just cruised through. I mean, let me tell you, it's going up the hill and then very rocky terrain that you cannot just walk very fast. I still have food here for like 3 days, I think, but obviously it's not the amount I had before, so the pack is a lot lighter and I'm more fit now, and boy didn't I cruise through the landscape. So now I have 10k to the next hut and I'm going to catch that boat and I'm going to talk to my wife today. So I'm super motivated, and by the way, it's gonna be a bit flat and down the hill most of the time. So seriously, I don't know, I'm going to make the FKT, fastest known time, from this shelter to the next hut. I'm just gonna have some cheese and bread. It's not that I'm hungry, it's just to reduce the pack weight, so to make it even faster. Amazing views as you go up, beautiful forest at the beginning. This is an incredible landscape. This is amazing, really. I'm enjoying every single second. I think obviously the first days were very difficult because, I mean, even up until day 4, very difficult, man, because you're carrying a heavy pack. I'm sure I was carrying probably 19 kilos, 18 and a half, and boy, then I feel it in my shoulders, trust me. But the good thing is I have trained with extra food for the next leg that I have 10 to 12 days, so I need to carry more food. And so, you know, I have some good training now, but it's gonna be slow going because I'm gonna pick up the food and I'm heading to the Norwegian mountains, so wish me luck. Here we are finally in Vájsáluokta. It's just down there, maybe 5 more minutes. Slow going, like very rocky, but I really enjoyed it. And I just can't wait now to get to the hut because it's like 12:25 and the boat is at 2:30, hopefully, fingers crossed. So I have plenty of time to just chill out there at the hut. And now I just resupply, and then the most important thing is to charge my camera batteries. I'm gonna finally call my wife, I think, from Ritsem, or at least I'll get them to send an email. Awesome experience, highly recommendable. So here I am enjoying my break and the amazing views. I wanted to do today 40k to get to the first Norwegian hut. However, this is incredibly abrupt terrain, so it took me forever to just arrive here, like sort of 10 kilometers later, 3 hours. I'm on the middle of nowhere, show you sort of slowly. I'm heading that direction towards the Norwegian mountains or my death, and I'm not kidding you. Look at that. If I die in a place like this, it feels like I'm walking to my death, to the slaughterhouse. Really, everyone has told me, basically I'm gonna die here, And it's scary. I'm scared, man. I'm intimidated. But the second part of being afraid is what you do with it. So I choose to be brave and go forward. I'm not going to let life scare me. I don't want that shit. I don't want to live afraid. So my only problem is that I cannot fail my wife, So I need to survive no matter what. On Thursday there's bad weather coming. Bad weather here in the Arctic Circle, just to say. So yeah, I'm concerned. I'm not gonna lie. Today we started at 7:30 a.m. and I need to put 40k with a just resupply backpack, probably 19 kilos. It's gonna be fun. And I was like, okay, I don't think I make it today, But this is what happened. I was walking past an amount of beauty that I cannot even describe. It is incredibly beautiful. The views I have right now here, mesmerizing, really. It's incredible, really. And I just couldn't more. I couldn't walk past that beauty and just rushing it all, and this is not what I want to do. I don't know if you get to see down there. As far as you can see, that's where I came from, no kidding. 1 hour 54 minutes, and this is the deal. Imagine, according to the blogs online and the people here in the hut and everything, this morning one guy, I'm so lucky, I just got out of the mountains before the bad weather. Thank you, I'm just heading to the mountains. Oh, sorry, no worries, man. No, thank you. Really encouraged me. So, yes, I'm sort of prime into being afraid of what's coming. for a good reason. And to be honest, I've seen some pictures and whatnot, and seems like I'm getting into a really nasty area. You think, okay, I'm walking towards my death, but today's Monday, the bad weather is coming on Thursday. If I push forward today and make the 40k, then tomorrow is a 28k days, so maybe I can push forward and do 35k day, and then the third day is 22, maybe I do another 35. So basically, when the bad weather comes, I'm at the end of this difficult section, and then all I need to do is walk to safety, which is called Kungsleden, because this trail connects with the Kungsleden, so that's safety for me. I want to enjoy myself. I want to sit down here and enjoy my coffee, you know. And I want to enjoy this place that is incredible. I'm going to film around here for you guys. You'll see. I took some shots. I mean, of course, it's not going to be like reality, but you know, I did my best. It's just incredible, really. So, but this has implications. So basically, I don't know what to do now. I don't know whether to continue and keep going towards the Norwegian mountains and see what happens, or to just walk back and take a shortcut that takes me to the Kungsleden. from the beginning I've been torn between filming, which I love, and putting the mileage. Before, as you know guys, I used to put the mileage and just keep going always forward. But now at this stage in my life, I just want to enjoy. I mean, I've done enough of this rushing thing. So I brought my camera, my professional camera gear, and my sound recorder and all this thing to do a different, to enjoy filming. And then I'm just like cruising through the beauty, and I don't take a shot because then, I need the time to put the mileage. So as of today, I just could no more and say, okay, you know what? I'm going to do what my wife told me. She said, look, just take your camera, enjoy the filming, and just take it one day at a time. And if you only make it to Avisco, then Avisco, and that's it. And I think that's what I'm going to do. I don't have to go anywhere. This is good enough here. So yeah. So basically I decided I'm going to start walking back. I'm just gonna love this, my time here, and then because I'm having days extra as I don't go around this loop, so I'm just gonna walk up and take it as a shortcut. I think I can catch up with some Kutjaure trail from here, from Ritsem. I can experience the bad weather in these latitudes in a place that I've already been to, like the Kutjaure area, and I think that suits me better. I feel more comfortable that way. I just want to be frank with you guys. I grew up in Malaga, in a city by the beach, in the southern coast of Spain, so I don't have any mountaineering experience. And this past winter I wanted to take a course with the Scottish guys, but it got cancelled because of COVID. I'm just going back, take my Kutjaure route, love my life, filming the beauty, the thing, while walking for sure. I'm gonna cross the miles too, and we just head up north. And I was looking forward the most to Finland, to the tundra, not to the mountains in Norway. So I just go and do that. When I gain some more mountaineering experience, then yeah, I'll come back here and I'll film those mountains. But then what I'll do is I come to film the mountains, not to do a 800 kilometers trail of 100 miles. So this is what we're going to do.